These 8 powerful, high-flow half-inch NPT air valves deliver unparalleled performance for 12-volt vehicles. The unique design provides high-pressure control at minimal power consumption. The valves support pressures of up to 210 psi and are constructed with high-quality brass to ensure continuous use through extreme conditions. Included with these valves are also dual-needle wide-phase air gauges with amber backlight. Each gauge has 2 1/8-inch NPT Male fittings on the back and 4 1/8-inch NPT Female compression fittings for 1/4-inch outer diameter hose are included. Comes with 4 3-position momentary rocker switches and a black powder-painted metal dash panel.